So how can the Freeform app on the iPhone be used for studying? Let me talk about it, and if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, there are a few things or a few concepts which you can utilize when you're taking the notes, but through the Freeform app, because obviously you can use different like note-taking apps, where you just type the text, but the difference of the Freeform app is that it is like a blank canvas which is zoomable, and you can connect things together and add multiple different elements. So it's not going in lines like a typed text, but instead you can create things like mind maps and concept maps and visual note taking. So that's very useful, right? So in practice, it would look like this, that you would basically just start with a title. You could use the text tool where you would just type the title, with your keyboard, or you can use your finger to just draw it with the pen tool. And the point is that you can then add a picture of something and connect it with a line to the title. And then you could point like an arrow. You can add an object and add some arrow to a specific part of that image, and then add some note for that particular thing. And through the whole process of creating these mind maps and like these visual notes, which are like on a large canvas, you can remember things more. Like you can memorize the whole process of how you created it, and that way you can better retain information. So obviously some people may like it more than others, but that is the general blueprint behind it, and why it is, or it could be a good idea to perhaps give it a try if you're just used to taking the notes in the regular note-taking app. So let me know what you think about that app below in the comments. I'm really looking forward to your feedback, but for now, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming quick guides and explanations like this one.